Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSex online support program. For this session, you are required Know Your World Book 5, page 7 to 14, Unit 1, topic Weather to Climate. Students, this is the revision of the topic which we have already done in round 1. Summary of this lesson is difference between weather and climate, factors that affect weather, identify the different climatic regions of the world. Today's thought of the day is nobody is perfect. That's why pencils have eraser. It means that if you make mistakes, you can have chance to correct it. Objectives of this lesson are we will be able to differentiate between weather and climate, factors that affect weather, identify the different climatic regions on a world map, how we measure weather condition, examine the reason for different climates in the world. Students, now open page number 7 and read carefully. This picture shows how can we measure weather condition. Weather condition is measured at meteorologist department or stations. Students, move on to page 8. Here you can see instruments used for measuring condition of a place and also tell us unit used for the measurement. Students, read one by one block and learn about measuring gadgets. Open page number 10. Here are types of climate which are based on latitude. Look at diagram and recognize climatic regions. On the same page 10, map shows climatic regions of the world. Observe map carefully and locate regions. The climate of Pakistan. Pakistan is located approximately between 37° north and 24° north. Since it is close to the Tropic of Cancer, the sun's rays fall fairly directly on it. Pakistan records mostly high temperatures and is counted among the hotter countries of the world. However, the climate varies between the different physical regions of Pakistan because they are located at different latitude, altitude, and distance from the sea level. Look at this slide. This tells us about major climatic regions of the world. You can see all these on next page. Open page number 11 and read it carefully. I will explain these regions one by one on next slides. What is this? This is polar region. You can see lot of snow here and polar bear here. These are the coldest part of the world. These regions are called polar because these areas are located near the north and south poles. Now equatorial region. On this slide, green areas on map shows equatorial regions of the world and picture shows type of area. Here you can see lush green forest. Equatorial regions. A heavy cloud cover and violent thunderstorms are the hallmark of these regions. The temperature stays hot throughout the year. That's why due to lot of rain, trees grow very fast. This slide is about temperate region. On a map, green areas show temperate regions of the world. And here trees grow apart and trees are very thick. Temperate regions. These areas have a moderate temperature and climate. Here there is not extreme temperature and precipitation. Tropical regions or zone are found above the equator and below the equator. Here there is lot of rain and temperature is hot. Tropical regions. The climate in these regions is hot and humid with high precipitation. The tropic areas of the earth lie in the middle of the globe. Tropical climate is one of the five major climate group in the climate classification. This area is generally located within 20 to 25 degree of equator. What is this? Yes, this is desert region. You all know about desert. I will talk to you about desert in next slide. In the desert region it seldom rains. Summers are hot and dry with hot and dusty winds blowing throughout. Winters are extreme with the temperatures going below 0 degree. In summer the temperature goes over 50 degrees centigrade. One of the most famous desert, the Sahara Desert in North Africa is very hot and very dry with a maximum recorded temperature of 58 degrees centigrade in the shade. Yet at night the desert become a very cold with temperatures often falling below freezing. These pictures are about mountainous regions. Mountainous regions are the beautiful area in Pakistan. The mountainous regions are located at high altitude. In these areas, winters are extremely cold and extend from October to April. The temperature often stays below freezing -0 centigrade. Precipitation is also in the form of snow. Summer temperatures are warm. From May to August are the summer months. The hottest months are June and July. There is a good rainfall in summer which reduces the heat. People mostly enjoy their life in summer. Plain region. In Pakistan, we have large areas of plain region in Sindh and Punjab. In the plain region, summers are not only hot but long lasting from March to October. The hottest months are June and July with temperatures reaching 45 degrees centigrade. Dust storm and thunderstorm are common. Often very hot winds called low blow. People usually stop outdoor work during the hottest part of the day. There is not much rainfall in this region. Farmers have to irrigate their crop. Winters are mild with temperatures ranging from 10 degrees centigrade to 21 degrees centigrade. January is the coldest month. Coastal area means area near the sea. Sindh and Balochistan have these areas. I will explain you this in next slide. In the coastal region there is little rainfall. The temperature is mild both in summer and winter. Winter is pleasant but it is very short, extending from December to February. Sometimes cold, dry winds blow from Balochistan which causes the temperatures to fall. Summer lasts from April to October. Plateau region. What is plateau? High flat area near mountains is called plateau. We have two big plateau areas in Pakistan. One is Balochistan Plateau and another is Potohar Plateau. In the plateau region there is hot summer and mild winter. Summer lasts from April to October with temperatures going over 40 degrees centigrade. In winters the temperatures remain close to 10 degrees centigrade. There is considerable rainfall through it is more summer than in winter. Now students, tell me, is climate affect the way we live, the food we eat, the clothes we wear? Yes, we live in different environment in different climate. Climate also affect how we live or living style, which type of game we play. Mostly in winter or in cold area people prefer to play indoor games. In summer mostly people wants to go out and play outside. It is also affect the crops we grow. The climate can also cause harm to our lives. Flooding in Pakistan can cause serious loss of life and property. Electricity, road, gas, water supplies can also be affected during the flood season from July to September. Flash flood occur in dry area of Balochistan when it rains heavily. People living in the plain also lose their lives in the extreme summer temperature due to dehydration and heat strokes. Similarly, in the mountainous regions where temperatures drop to below freezing in winter, people can die extremely cold. Sometimes great destruction is caused by avalanches and landslides. Now, student, it's time for recap. We learn in this topic some factors that affect weather, climatic regions of the world, how climate affect on our lives, climate can cause harms to our lives. Now it's time for assignment. Read chapter carefully, underline the difficult words and learn the spelling, observe climatic regions and locate areas on world map. My dear student, take care of yourself and others. Listen to your parents. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.